waiting for the super. Actually, he's coming right now. I'll talk to him a bit.
You the backhoe guy?
Yeah, I'm Gary. How's it going?
Don, we spoke on the phone. I need you to tie into the sewer. You good?
Yeah? You know where the gas and the electrical lines are?
Look, it's pretty obvious. Just feel your way in. You'll know if you hit something.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Gary.
Don, we spoke on the phone. I need you to tie into the sewer. You good?
Yeah? You know where the gas and the electrical lines are?
It's pretty obvious. Just feel your way in. You'll know if you hit something.
I'm gonna make a phone call. I don't dig unless I know where the utilities are.
Remember, identify the location of all utilities before you dig. Always expose utilities with hand tools. And never probe for utilities with pointed tools. You're a pro. There's always time to do it right.